Morning. My mom and I are taking an unexpected trip into Hong Kong for a day. We weren't planning on going because of the situation there, but the Guangzhou locals assured us as long as we don't speak Mandarin and take pictures of people's faces, otherwise they'll think that you're a spy of some sort, that it's safe to go into Hong Kong. So we're going to go into Hong Kong to check it out. Okay, we're about to approach Chungking Mansions on Nathan Road. I stayed in Chungking Mansions a long time ago. It's one of the most unique places in Hong Kong because here you'll find Little India and Little Africa there, along with a whole bunch of guest houses and international travelers and asylum seekers that stay there. I'll leave a link below so you can read up more about Chungking Mansions, but let's go in there and see what it's like inside. Because of the protests, I heard there were a lot of protests in front of Chungking Mansions. So I'll leave a couple of links in the description below about the protests there. But let's continue on down Nathan Road to get to the waterfront so that I can show you the waterfront and see the iconic Hong Kong skyline. And had a great day. This is the hotel that we stayed at last night, BP International. We got a few hours to kill before we return back to Guangzhou. So let's check out this nearby Kowloon Park.
Guys, look at these beautiful. Is that a sign?
I want someone.
The Tsim Choi police station, which is right beside the park. A lot of protests were held there.